What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this video is a review. You know I'm always looking for something sweet and quick to try. So I am sampling these today. So I think I've talked about wafers being dairy-free on my channel before. And when I saw that they had a coconut flavor, I had to try it. So are y'all ready to see if these are popping or not? Let's find out. Okay, starting from the unboxing, unraveling, I guess. Oh no. Struggling here, y'all. Okay, let's get into it. Crumbs are everywhere. That's fine. All right, and I don't know if you guys can see the wafer. It's looking pretty cool. Smell test, I don't know, y'all. Okay, so I like it. It tastes better than it smells, that's for sure. It's giving more of a brown sugar wafer kind of cookie instead of coconut. The coconut's not really coming through. It's coming through kind of in the aftertaste-ish vibe, but hold on. Yeah, all in all, I say that it's poppin'. It's just, if you're looking for coconut flavor, it's not giving, but if you're looking for something that's kind of light, not overly sugary, just kind of perfect in that way, yes. I'm trying to imagine a really light waffle cone. That's what it's giving, like a brown sugar waffle cone. I like it, but I want to know what you think, so don't forget to connect with me in the comment section below. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.